Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. We will be going over a comparison of Bavsound's Stage 1 speakers versus the stock Harman Kardon system that was originally equipped in my BMW. As many of you guys know, I did this swap in my BMW E46 and my F10, and I want to give you guys some real life comparisons so you guys can hear for yourself the difference between the stock Harman Kardon system and the Bavsound Stage 1 system with the subs and the speakers to make up your mind if this is worth it for you. All right, so this is a audio comparison of my stock Harman Kardon speakers, my BMW F10. So this is the audio output of the Bavsound Stage 1 kit with all the speakers and subwoofers installed. I think the Bavsound speakers over the Harman Kardon speakers sound much clearer. Yes, these speakers do sound louder and of course a lot clearer, but they don't necessarily sound shockingly louder. The tweeters sound great. The highs are unbelievable. I really like the way they sound, much more clear. Overall, I really like these speakers. I definitely recommend buying these speakers if you're interested in upgrading speakers for your BMW. The installation is so easy, and that's why I will continue to use Bavsound in all of my BMWs, just due to how easy it is to install and the performance that you get out of them. So that is why I think Bavsound is very, very good for the money.